We are all vegetables. And you have no idea how to eat us correctly. Stop boiling me. You're washing all my nutrients down the drain. Steam me. 5 minutes. That's it. Cook me with fat. Olive oil, butter, anything. My vitamin A is fat soluble. Raw? You barely absorb me.
I shrink. A whole bag becomes 2 bites. But cooked? I give you 3 times more iron than raw.
Cook me. Seriously. My lycopene doubles when you heat me. Pasta sauce is healthier than a salad. Crush me. Then wait 10 minutes before cooking. That activates my allicin. Skip that? I'm just flavor.
I have more vitamin C than an orange. But cut me fresh. The second you slice me, I start losing it.
Bake me. Don't microwave me. Slow heat converts my starch to sugar. That's why I taste better from the oven.